How to fix PS4 Error WC-34891-5. Here are some tips that would help you fix PS4 Error WC-34891-5. 1. Ensure that information card holder name, card number, CVV code, last 3 digits on the signature strip, expiry date, and address you entered are completely correct and correctly match the details attached to your credit/debit card account you have. You may refer to the following screenshot. 2. Ensure that the order of your address matches what your card issuer has on their system, including all abbreviations. 3. Use a card that has a street address. Note, do not use a PO box or BFPO address. 4. Do not use prepay credit cards in your PS4's card information section. 5. Do not include any special characters like asterisks, asterisk, hyphens, apostrophes, and slashes, slash, in your address. 6. Replace special characters with the nearest letter from the standard 26-letter Latin alphabet, for example, for SS use SS, for A use A or for C use C, in your name/address.